So I have here the green cycle USB-C wall plug replacement, and let's just go ahead and install it. Make sure that you do cut the power to the plug before you do this, and then we'll take off the original outlet, get all of the wires disconnected, and then we can reset them for the new outlet. The instructions will tell you which wire goes where, and then you can put them in place and screw them in to tighten them down, just making it very secure. You'll see that there are screws on either side and the bottom. And then once that's all tightened in place, you can screw it into the wall, and then we can add the wall plate, making it look nice and tidy. So we'll screw that in, and then you can turn your power back on, and your outlets and USB-C and USB-A ports will work. So it's super easy to install. It's a great quality product. I highly recommend it. Actually, I highly recommend 10 of these in your house. And thanks for watching.
Now, right.